Looking for a stylish and accessible hotel near the Fort Lauderdale Airport and Cruise Port? We're touring the wheelchair accessible 2-queen room at Aloft, plus a few features that make this hotel stand out.
We'll take it
This accessible room features 2 queen beds with space to maneuver a power wheelchair on both sides. Outlets and USB ports are easy to reach, and the workspace is roll-under friendly. The modern design doesn't sacrifice function, everything's at your level. The roll-in shower has sturdy grab bars, a mounted fold-down seat, and a handheld shower head. You'll also find grab bars by the toilet and sink with knee clearance, so accessibility is built in, not just added on. Beyond the room, the rooftop pool is the perfect place to unwind. Whether you're here for a business conference or just spending a couple of days before your cruise, it's fully accessible with the pool lift, and there are plenty of lounge chairs and shaded areas to relax. You get skyline views and a laid-back vibe that makes it feel more like a resort than an airport hotel. The on-site bar serves up great cocktails and bites with live music on the weekends. It's a fun spot to kick back without ever leaving the hotel. Give me a call to book your next accessible vacation, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and hotel tours. We'll see you next time.
I'm just gonna drive you. Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours.